What's good, guys? Welcome back to s&pEmpire, and today I'm gonna be pranking my sister. I have to be really quiet because she's in the shower right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a blow dryer and I'm gonna put powder in it. See, I could look. Hear that? She's in there. So I'm gonna take her. I'm gonna take. No, I'm not. I'm gonna take the baby powder. I'm gonna put it in the blow dryer, and when she blows her hair, all the baby powder is gonna go in her hair. Cause she's gonna wash her hair anyway. So let's go. I got the baby powder. There's evidence on the thing. Okay guys, everything is done. So thing is done right now. So yeah, okay guys, I'm gonna set up the camera. She's gonna get mad.
PJ, did you eat?
Yeah. It's a prank! Ah!
Yo.
I got you good. I got you good.
Wait. It went in my throat.
Oh, my bad. Get me back. You'll see. You'll see. Look at her. She looks like a clown. This was funny, huh?
Look at how I swear the powder go down my throat hole.
I feel sorry for Psych. I don't feel sorry for you. Sorry, guys. The camera cut out, but look at her.
It's not funny.
Yes, it is.
Guys, he's gonna have to buy back my blow dryer.
No, I'm not.
And look at the mess, guys. How do you turn it?
You can't.
Well, guys, look at the mess. Look at my clothes. You're gonna have to buy it back.
Nope. She says she's gonna get.
Watch. The war is on. Look at me though.
That's a Psych.
Look at me. Yo,
You look like a
guys.
clown.
This is not funny. I swear the powder even went down my throat. Look at my hair. I was doing my hair.
You gotta shower.
Okay, the prank is on. Well, guys, thank you for watching again. And don't forget to subscribe and to like the video.
Team PJ.
Team Shanty, I'm coming back to get him. You want to say anything?
Nope. The only thing I want to say is you got pranked.
No, we'll see about that. My prank is coming and it's gonna be worse. It's not gonna be powder.
What is it gonna be? Fire?
Peace, guys.
Stop.